Hello students, myself Dr. S.K. Suman. Today we will talk about the concept of line integral of a vector field. Suppose this is a curve C, and on this curve we have 2 points. This is point A and this is point B. Now if we divide the curve in between A and B into a very large number of segments and say any of these segment is vector dr and the position vector of this point is say vector r. Here it is origin. Position vector of this vector is r plus dr. That's why I have taken this vector say pq as vector dr. Now if we compute this integral v dot dr over this curve C from point A to point B, this integral is known as line integral of vector v along the curve C from point A to point B, from the point A to point B. Now take one example. Example 1. Let V is equal to xi cap plus y j cap, and C is a curve in the xy plane having equation y is equal to xx square. Then compute the line integral of vector v along curve C from the point zero zero to 1 1. Now its solution is here. Here we have to compute v dot dr, integral v dot dr along the curve C from which point? From 0 0 to 1 1. Now first of all we would like to calculate v dot dr. So here v dot dr will be equal to xi cap plus yj cap dot x. What is dr? Dr will be dx I cap plus dy j cap. So finally what we are getting here is v dot dr is equal to x dx plus y dy, and therefore the integral of this v dot dr along curve C, from point 0 0 to 1 1 will be equal to this one. And what is this? This is integral of x. Now x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from 0 to 1. So this will be equal to xx square by 2 from 0 to 1 plus this is y square by 2 from 0 to 1. So finally what we are getting here is 1 by 2 minus 0 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 0 by 2, or say 1 plus 1, 1, or 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. This is your answer. Now take another example. Example 2. If y is equal, v is equal to yi cap plus xy j cap, and the curve C is in the xy plane, whose equation is, say, y is equal to xx square plus 1, then compute the line integral of vector v along the curve C from point 0 1 to 1 2. Now its solution is, we have to calculate v dot dr along curve C, where C is that curve. So what is v dot dr here? And the point is from 0 1 to 1 2. This integral is from the 0 1 to 1 2. Now what is v dot dr here? Here v is this one, means yi cap plus xy j cap. Now what is dr? Dr will be dx I cap plus dy j cap, and here there is dot product. Limits are 0 1 to 1 2 along the curve C. Now this may be written as from 0 1 to 1 2 along the curve C of y dx plus xy dy. Now we know that the equation of the curve is y is equal to xx square plus 1. So here we may put the equation of the curve, since y is equal to xx square plus 1. This means dy will be equal to 2x dx. Now substituting these two equations in this integral, the required integral will be equal to from 0 1 to 1 2. What is y? It is xx square plus 1 into dx, then plus sign is there, then x, then xx square plus 1, then dy. What is dy? It is 2x dx. Now this may be written as, since all since this integral is in terms of x only, this means here x is 0 and here x is 1. We have to consider only x value here. Now this may be written as xx square plus 1, and from here it is 2xx square into xx square, means 2x to the power 4 plus x into 2x, means 2xx square, then dx, and finally this may be simplified as integral from 0 to 1 of 2x to the power 4 plus 3xx square plus 1 into dx. Now this integral may be computed very easily. This is equal to integral from 0 to 1, or say this is equal to 2 into x to the power 5 by 5 plus 3 into x cube by 3 plus 1 into, this means it will be x, here it is from 0 to 1, and this will be 2 by 5 plus 1 plus 1. And this will be 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12 by 5. This is your answer.